So we're just gonna kind of find it, but I can't see my panels. I can't see my border. So what I'll do is I'll tap on the inserted image here of Tom. I'm gonna go tap on this here where it says and I'm gonna go multiply. Here now, at least I can see that I have my borders laid out, okay? Now, is this a good angle here? I think so, because when you look at this, we got like a lot of leading eye line here from here to here. You know, that's really good. And we got like this nice angle. We got this crazy division here. He's about to go, because it's on an angle, he's going to go this direction. We know that the action's going to be taking place. He's got to save his friend, get the bomb out of the bad guy's hands, whatnot. He's going to go in this direction, right to left towards the action. Or what if it's switched? So we're going to tap on the arrow. When you tap on the arrow cursor, right there, you see the options here for transforming. And we have uniform, freeform, distort, warp, all at the bottom here. What I want you to focus on is this flip horizontal. There we go. Now he's more center of the frame. This is going to work for us too.